Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick video here just to show you our process. We're going to try this today for the very first time using this jig and using this heater, which is right on the pad, which we find very convenient. This is of course tools that we got from Rewa, just like this tool and the bits, all from Rewa. So as you can see there, right now it's about 67, 68, 66. We have it set for 70, I believe. So we're going to put it on the heat pad backside down. So this is a Samsung phone, so in this case we are going to fix the screen. The screen does not light up. Now when you pull the pen on this Galaxy Note, it does vibrate and everything, you feel it. So it is working. We just suspect that the screen is damaged, being the backlight or the actual OLED display, we don't know. But the glass is actually fine. There's nothing wrong with the glass, but we're going to go ahead and try dismantling the back part, taking it off using the jig. This of course helps prevent the back glass from being damaged. If you're using a blade and you've cracked them or damaged them before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So we leave it on the pad for just a few minutes. That's all. It doesn't take much, but you do want to start putting it on the pad once you get close to the temperature you have it set at. We have it set at, I believe, at 70 degrees. So it should be a few minutes already that I've been talking. So let's go ahead and get this ready. Just set it down like this. And you do want to make sure that the surface area is clean, not only of the actual phone, but the suction cup as well. I'm just dabbling it with a little bit of alcohol on there. And let's see. It should start to pull back easily. And it is. And I will bring it up to the camera just so everyone can see. I'm actually going to tighten a little bit on the back. See what's happening here? Look at that. So it's that easy. That easy. You can feel it, you can hear it start to separate. Not complicated at all. You saw how quick that came out. So all in all, let me just turn this off. All in all, this is a 1-2 punch right here. Have it heat just a few minutes, get it to 70 degrees, put it back down, backside down first, put it on your heat pad, then move it right over to the jig, to the RS50, the RS50, and start turning the knob slowly. And look at that, it just comes off that easy. So if you haven't tried it, go ahead. I would recommend it. It's a good product, both of them as well. Actually, everything that we've had so far from Rewa, we've been trying them out for the last, I'd say, 6 months or so. We've been very impressed with it, so go ahead and give them a shot if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching Cape Coral Cell Phone Repair TV. See you on the next one.